Hi, it's Lori Shira with Keller Williams Realty. I hope you are all doing well. I am conforming to our new way of doing an open house. This is a great opportunity for you in the comfort, safety, and health of your own home to come on a little tour of this great home with me here in Bellagio. I am at 6807 Rienzo Drive, and this is a beautiful home here in the phenomenal community of Bellagio. Bellagio is one of the premier over 55 communities here in Lake Worth. It's large. It's got 1,100 homes, an amazing clubhouse, which I'll tell you a little bit more about, but come follow me into the house. As we approach the front doors, you'll notice that you have beautiful leaded glass front doors and a very wide walkway. This is double door entry, so you really have a beautiful grand entry as soon as we approach. Come on in. Again, one of the things you'll notice about this amazing floor plan, and this floor plan is called the Modena floor plan. It's 3 bedrooms plus 2.5 baths. There's a very grand feeling when you come in here. A very, very ample foyer with high ceilings and beautiful crown molding details throughout this house. You also have 2 decorative columns setting off the foyer from the rest of the home. Let me show you one of the guest areas, the guest bedroom and the full bathroom. It's down its own little hallway down here, so your guests have a lot of privacy when they come. This is a full bath. It has a walk-in, a tub and shower area. And you've got a 18-inch tile on the diagonal on the floor. Nice neutral color. This is the front bedroom, and it's big enough for this is a queen size bed in here. You could actually put a bigger bed if you needed to. And it has a nice closet. So your guests really have their own nice little accommodations here. Some people use this as an extra office or an extra bonus room, hobby room, anything like that. So you can purpose this room any way you like. I'd like to continue the tour as we go back into the foyer. Your garage access would be through this door, and this takes you to the laundry room as well. I don't really like doing laundry, so I'm not going to show you the laundry room. Come on this way. I'm going to show you the 3rd bedroom / office / den. Really nice size room, and again, the tile has been carried out through this area as well. This room can be used as a lot of different things. It has pocket doors, so you can have privacy if you want to make this another bedroom or an office where you need some quiet and some privacy. One of the things you'll notice in this house as well is it doesn't have a cathedral ceiling. It's high volume ceilings throughout the main component area of the living space here. This room is the powder room, and is conveniently located right off of your foyer, your dining room, your living room. So it's just a very convenient extra little powder room to have. This house was designed as a more traditional floor plan. This was the formal living area. Some people have used this as their main family room, put a big TV in here. Some people have used this as a formal living room. So what's so great about it is you don't have to follow any protocol. You can make that room anything you want. This is the formal dining area, and it's very open. So if you like to have a lot of company and have a lot of people seated, there's no boundary here. You can just keep extending this table out and have as many people as you like. As we continue through this main area, I'd like to show you the master bedroom, which is right off of the living room. This is an enormous room. This is a king size bed that's in here already, and you can see there is a lot of room to put a couch, a desk, however you like to live your life and how you like to furnish your room. This is a huge, huge room. Off of the master, and this room also has double crown molding in the coffered ceiling and in the main ceiling. There are 2 large walk-in closets here. One is for whoever has more clothes. We don't like to say the his or the hers. Whoever wins, whoever has more clothes than the other. A nice big walk-in closet here, and another nice big walk-in closet over here. This gives you your creativity. You can have a closet organizer come in and create whatever space you need for your lifestyle. And this is the master bathroom. This has 2 separate vanities. It has a big Roman tub and a nice sized walk-in shower. This actually has some very nice upgraded plumbing faucets, the 2-tone, a shiny and a flat. And there's also a pocket door for the commode area, so you can have your privacy here as well. So come with me, and I'd like to show you what I think is one of the nicest features of this home, and that's the outside living off of the kitchen and the family room. As we get into the kitchen and family room area, great convenience for you. Whoever is going to make this great house their home, their brand new appliances. Stainless steel French door refrigerator, brand new. A 5-burner cooktop, Samsung, brand new microwave. And you've got lots of counter space here. There is a super island here. You could make this a great entertainment area. And it's very open eating. You have a breakfast area as well as your formal dining area. Plenty of storage here. Pantry, and these are wood cabinets. So you've got wood and granite, brand new stainless steel appliances, and lots of open space here. This is one of my favorite features about this home. And then also coming outside, many people who have been enjoying Bellagio living have picked Bellagio because of the beautiful lakes that are here. And let me show you one of them. There are sliders going outside to this lovely screened in and covered patio. There are accordion hurricane shutters on this house too, so that's a little bit of peace of mind as we're approaching hurricane season. This is a lovely, quiet, peaceful location. The wind is blowing a little bit today, so we can hear some of that rustling of the wind. There's also a small little gated area. I believe it could be used for planting if you're a gardener, or if you have a dog that you like to have a little private area for. But this is Bellagio living at its best. So if you like a home that's ready and has a great water view,